Hey guys, we are here in Folsom Powerhouse Historic State Park, one of the state parks here in California. We're gonna go check it out, the technology and science behind this place. Let's go! The Folsom Powerhouse is a historical site located in Folsom, California in the United States, preserving an 1895 alternating current or AC hydroelectric power station, one of the first in the country. So we're here inside the visitor center where they have more information and exhibits about the hydroelectric powerhouse. Before the Folsom Powerhouse was built, nearly all electric powerhouses were using direct current or DC generators powered by steam engines. This meant the original power stations were restricted at the time to local steam generating plants built right in each local neighborhood. The use of rushing water was used to generate hydroelectric power, and too much power was lost in transmission at low voltage for long-distance power transmission to be practical. Once it was invented, AC power made it feasible to convert electrical power to high voltage by using the newly invented transformers, and then to economically transmit the power long distances to where it was needed. The powerhouse story began when Horatio G. Livermore came to California in 1850 seeking gold. By 1861, realizing that he could make his fortune more easily by securing water rights on the American River, he and his sons obtained control of the Natoma Water and Mining Company. Livermore's vision of a Folsom sawmill would require construction of a dam and a canal to float the logs to the mill. At that time, California was looking for a site to build a prison. In exchange for convict labor on the dam and canal, Livermore gave the state land for what is now Folsom State Prison. But H.G. Livermore died in 1879, and the company business continued to operate under the leadership of his son Horatio Putnam Livermore. H.P. Livermore completed the dam and canal project in 1893. The logging operation proved to be unprofitable, but Livermore soon realized an opportunity to use the elevated dam water to power a hydroelectric plant that could send electricity to Sacramento. Thomson Houston and Capital Gas companies provided electricity to Sacramento started in 1884. They used small, coal-burning steam engines to produce limited amounts of costly electricity. During this time, J.P. Morgan bought all the stock of Edison General Electric and Thomson Houston. He then merged them into an alternating current or AC company with the new name General Electric. H.P. Livermore received power system designs from Westinghouse and General Electric to build his Folsom Powerhouse. Livermore chose General Electric for its willingness to fund construction bonds. Elihu Thomson then reworked four Edison direct current generators to create a three-phase 60-cycle alternating current generators for Folsom. Unlike direct current, alternating current could be run through transformers to decrease resistance by raising it to 11,000 volts, making possible a 22-mile transmission to Sacramento. H.P. Livermore, his brother Charles, and Albert Galitzine of Huntington Hopkins Hardware created the Sacramento Electric Power and Light Company in 1892 to explore electricity markets for streetcars, streetlights, and factories. The arrival of 3 megawatts of Folsom Powerhouse electricity in Sacramento expanded streetcar lines from 4 to 40 miles, gave outdoor electric lighting to many streets, provided power to the Southern Pacific yards, and brought refrigeration to Sacramento breweries. Home use of electricity was limited at the time. Later, bare light bulbs hung from ceilings of most buildings. The arrival of electric power at Station A in Sacramento on the morning of July 13, 1895 was a major event that called for a major celebration. On September 9, California's Admission Day was set for a grand electric carnival. People poured into Sacramento from throughout Northern California, 30,000 from San Francisco alone. As darkness fell, the people of Sacramento and many visitors lined the brilliantly lighted streets in eager anticipation of the oncoming parade. The state capitol building glowed with electric lights outlining the facade and the ribs of the dome, where a cluster of arch lights illuminated a dazzling display that could be seen for nearly 50 miles. Much-awaited floats delighted the crowds with their ingenious arrangements of lights or mechanical equipment. Drawn by electric trolley cars powered by the new electricity relayed from Folsom Powerhouse. In 1903, the Livermore firm sold out to the California Gas and Electric Corporation, the predecessor of the Pacific Gas and Electric Company, which operated the powerhouse until November of 1952. Then the original Folsom Dam across the American River was destroyed to make way for the new, much larger Folsom Dam. The powerhouse was shut down after 57 years of continuous operation. PG&E donated the plant and most of its equipment to the state of California. The state designated the site as a California Historical Landmark number 633. The 35 acres or 14 hectares historic park was established in 1956. The powerhouse was designated as a U.S. National Historic Landmark in 1981. Now let's take a stroll outside and visit some sites stated in the brochure. So after visiting the visitor center, you can get one of these brochures, and it gives you the history, the information, and the trail about the place. So we're following this trail. We're walking along the trail. The two-story brick and granite powerhouse looks much as it did in 1895. Its magnificent generators, wooden flumes, and the Tennessee marble face control switchboard stand as imposingly as they did more than 100 years ago. So after visiting the main Folsom Powerhouse, we're still following the trail down to the American River. Long before the arrival of Europeans, the area surrounding the Folsom Powerhouse was home to the Southern Maidu. Situated on a river and with a moderate climate, the area provided the local inhabitants with a variety of food such as fish, birds, deer, roots, fruits, and nuts. An ancient grinding rock is used by the Maidu to prepare their acorn meal. Hey guys, I hope you enjoy our little trek around the Folsom Powerhouse State Park. $10 fee for parking, but it's free everywhere to park. Until next time, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. Bye. So guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to comment.
Hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell. Come on guys, hit the bell.